Hey guys, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn a scanner class. Through that we can take an input from keyboard. So let's understand scanner class through example. So first we need to make a object of scanner and a new scanner, and this will take one parameter which is system.in, means you can input through your keyboard, but it's showing error because we didn't import this scanner class. So just simply click here and add import. So here is a java.util.scanner, right? And then simply we want to input which type of data, like a integer, like a string, like a float value, anything, right? So I want integer value, so just simply sc dot next int. So this function will allow you to uh, uh, type a integer value, and let's store this value inside any variable. So int and num means any number. So simply you can system.out.println, right? System.out.println, and inside this println we can we can print on a console this number. Control S for save, and when you run this file, let's run the file, and it will ask you, it's not asking, right? So let's before to scanner, you can show the message, please enter integer value here. So just this is a string, enter integer value. Control S for save, and let's run this file again. So now it's saying please enter integer value, you can see here, right? Let me zoom in. Yeah, please enter integer value. So I'm typing any value like a 20. So you can see 20 is here. So pretty easy to use this, and this is very useful for inputting any value from a keyboard, right? So just remember this class. So guys, pretty much we have it done. If you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. Next part we will understand operators. We will add two numbers and more, and also we can multiply, division and modulus. Lot more thing we will learn from scratch, right? So in the next part we will see a lot more other things. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.